Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Terrorizes Circle K Worker Becomes Enraged.
Police respond to a Circle K after receiving a report about two individuals who refused to leave the premises after their vehicle ran out of gas.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Officer Lou with the City of Maryland Police Department.
Yep.
We got a call over here at Circle K, and they're advising that they need to close and you're refusing to leave. I think it's probably because you're out of gas, right?
Right.
Okay, let me see if you're allowed to maybe leave the vehicle here right now.
I have the gas can.
Okay, do you have gas in there?
I'm waiting for my mom to come.
Okay.
Hello?
Listen, I don't know what you're trying to do, but...
I am sitting at Circle K with no gas.
Well, it's not my fault.
No one said it is. It's not my fault about anything in your life and how you need mental help. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm going to send the mental health coordinator over.
I wish you would.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not here to argue. I just want to...
Make sure they're here so they can evaluate you also.
Okay, listen, I need gas. You're going to help me or you're not? You told my friends figure it out.
She says she's not going to help you, okay?
You got Nancy.
Okay.
Worry about me. You got
And how
Nancy.
much about me did you talk to my friend?
I'll be right back. I'm going to ask them do they want this vehicle towed from their lot, because it doesn't look like you got any
no, I have
gas.
AAA.
Okay,
So,
well, let me go ask, okay?
Mom, you don't have a daughter.
You want to grab the tag?
She
We just
too
was out with
old
them
to
not too
be-
long ago. They're closed. Yeah, they're closed.
Yeah,
I don't know where they at though.
come on, officer. You come on, man. You got a camera on. You supposed to be getting the angles, man. What's up with you, man? What's up? What's up with the cameraman? What's up with him?
He just was out with them not too long ago. They're closed. Yeah, they're closed.
Damn. But
I don't know where they
anyways,
at, though. Oh, ma'am, Officer Lou with the Maryland Police Department. I think you were here the other day when I was here. Okay, so they're out of gas. I don't think she's gonna get any gas.
No, my systems. I'm in a store upgrade right now.
Yeah.
All my
So-
systems are down.
Okay, so are they allowed to wait for gas or?
No, I need them trespass because they've been caught stealing.
Okay.
This is the second night she's came up here yelling at me, honking her horn at me.
Okay. So what about this? Their vehicle is stuck here.
Yeah.
Do you want to call a tow truck? I can't call one for you. It's on your property.
Yeah.
But do you want to call a tow truck to have their vehicle towed somewhere?
Okay. Yeah. I'll call my boss.
Because I can't. Their vehicle's stuck, but you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
All
It was a hard, I wasn't gonna call, but
Yeah.
then she kept still trying to yell at me and honk at me. I'm like, this shit is just.
I'm aware. We've dealt with her numerous times. That was the first time I dealt with her, but the other officers dealt with her multiple times.
It's been, ongoing.
So do you want her just trespass or the son as well?
My boss said both.
Both of them? Okay. Well, we'll go ahead and trespass them. If they refuse to leave, would you like them arrested? Okay. They're close. Hello, ma'am. So I understand that you don't have any gas, okay? She's calling the tow truck, but for right now, she wants y'all to trespass from this property, okay?
She's not trespassing. Listen, I already spoke to the manager. Him and I are like this.
I understand that, but she wants you trespassed, okay?
I don't care if she's nobody. Why don't you have her call the manager of the store?
Is this vehicle registered to you?
No, it's my mom entering it.
Oh, okay.
Why don't you have her call the
Ma'am, please. I don't have to do what you're
Hello?
I can see
I'm
your
not telling
idea,
you.
okay?
Hello?
She's very nasty.
Yeah, so the gas can is here. I just need to get some gas. Now they're trying to tow my car.
The store manager's on the phone.
And I'm the assistant, and we are both saying that you have to leave.
Okay.
Did you hear that, ma'am?
All right, fine. Yes.
Okay, she's saying if you don't leave the property, we're going to arrest you. You understand that?
I didn't do anything for you to arrest me. Can I speak to the
No,
owner?
she doesn't want to speak, okay? So I'm going to ask you now. She is the man. She's an authorized person, okay? So I'm going to ask you to leave the property. I understand this is your vehicle.
Well, it's not your car. It's your mom's car, right?
No, it's in both
No,
names.
you said it's not under
I
your
said
name.
it's in both names.
No, you said it's your mom's.
You know what? You need to start recording stuff.
I'm recording.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I said it's in both names.
ma'am, we're not going to argue with you, okay? So
There's no
now,
arguing.
sir, that's you as well, okay? So
wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Did she say it was in both names?
but for right now, she wants y'all to trespass from this property, okay?
She's not trespassing. Listen, I already spoke to the manager. Him and I are like this.
I understand that, but she wants you trespassed, okay?
I don't care if she's nobody. Why don't you have her call the manager of the store?
Is this vehicle registered to you?
No, it's my mom entering it.
Oh, okay.
But why don't you have her call the manager?
You don't have to be a right now. I don't know you.
please.
It might not end you trying to find.
Okay, Matthew.
You don't have to be a.
Oh boy. Oh, my boy rolling up the sleeves. Let's go.
Yeah.
You better act right.
Call the window out.
You better act right. Get to moving.
Where's my car keys? No, you're gonna break my door. Down the house.
Step out. Hey, Matthew, leave the property. Leave the property, Matthew.
He is leaving.
Leave the property.
He's not leaving. He's walking towards the
Go, Matthew, sir. Leave the property. You're going to be arrested. Leave the property. Yo,
Get them together.
Son,
back up.
don't you touch my son.
That's why you're back. You just threw that shit in my face. It hurt my goddamn.
Get them together.
Okay.
Black people who beat up white people. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. If you slam my son's head, you're dead.
Mom, get my phone.
Matthew, why would you do that?
You're dead.
Hey, man, hey.
I'm not leaving. I'm getting off the property. I'm going off the property.
No, you're not. You're going to jail, too.
No, I'm going off the property.
You got your handcuffs?
No, you're hurting me.
Got them together.
Adams, I'm going off the property. I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did. Drop your phone.
I didn't do anything.
You better stop resisting.
You're gonna break my arm.
You better stop resisting. I'm not trying to. I'm trying to defend you.
Mom, I hate you, you f***ing cunt.
That's not very nice.
I don't give a shit.
Man, she look about 60, man.
Just ask for her.
You're dead,
She's
Mom.
Stop moving.
I can't.
Stop moving. I need you to stop resisting, okay? You need to stop resisting.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Well, you better stop resisting, man.
She's still relying on her mom at 60? God
Help
dang.
me. Matthew.
Okay.
Same two from that 33.
Yeah.
Or 38.
Same.
Yeah.
Black people are going to jail because you guys. Kill black people everywhere. Car's on fire, you stupid. I'm pressing charges. Car is hot. You're making trouble from
The car is hot. No shit, it's on.
You go to jail. Think I'm going to jail? You break my arm?
Man, just lean on the car. That's
Let
it.
go
Right?
of
That's all
me.
you gotta do.
Let
We're
go of
not
me.
letting go of you, okay?
Let me go.
It's not gonna happen.
Yes, it is. I can't breathe. Let me
Can't
stand
breathe.
up.
Just stand
You talking?
Let me stand up. I cannot breathe. Your head get hit?
No, I want my phone and wallet.
Matthew, I'll grab your phone.
Oh, don't sit in that car. No,
Oh,
don't
he is
sit.
gonna sit.
Did you have that ID with you, ma'am? Do you mind if I get it? Did you observe him throw that phone at me and hit me in the head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just talking about I'm dead. That's the whole direction.
Do you want her arrested for?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, get it
Yeah, she
together.
hit me in the head. No, he hit me in the head. Recall, we got fire rescue on the way.
My son didn't touch you.
They also see him. He threw a phone at me and it hit me right here.
That's your fault.
Okay. All right.
your
So we
fault.
have fire rescue coming to take
He
you out.
threw a
Okay,
phone,
yeah,
that's
our
your
issues.
fault.
Yes, ma'am. All
And
right.
my son's disabled, so if you touch him, you go to jail automatically.
Okay.
Black, yellow, white, it don't matter.
Okay.
And you broke my fucking arm. This
Okay.
motherfucker, okay? I can't.
You don't
hardly
have ID
breathe.
with you, right?
I just want to stand up.
Do you have ID with
No,
you?
he's putting pressure on my back.
Well, we don't want you to lean up. That's the thing.
I can't breathe. I have heart issues, you dumbass.
Okay. Well, what do you want me to do? We have
I
fire
want
rescue.
you to let
Well,
me
you're gonna stop
stand up.
moving. You're standing up, but you're gonna have
No,
to
you're
stop
hurting
moving.
me.
We're
and
not trying
I
to.
didn't get a chance to call. You're pulling up my dress. You're looking at my ass.
You are
Oh
throwing a lot
boy.
of things at us right now.
I
We're
didn't
not
do
trying to
shit.
do anything.
I didn't do shit. My son dropped his phone because of you.
He
and
threw
now
his
you
phone.
you can buy him a new phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Fucking boogeyman.
Are you refusing to identify yourself to law?
Giant Just
Okay.
leave me alone, man. It is going to change because I didn't do anything wrong. And neither did my son. And he's on SSI. He's disabled. You guys are going to be arrested for touching him. He is. He's black man. Huh?
Factually correct.
I know that it's correct. And this guy looked at my ass. This guy looked at my ass.
Okay, but remember what
I know I got a nice ass, but
Factually correct.
And then you yelled at her, right?
you ain't towing my car.
I'm doing it.
It's illegal.
Okay.
It's not your car.
It is my car. It's in
I know I got a nice butt. He said that's factually incorrect. Yo, that was crazy. That was crazy. I am not gonna
I
lie.
know I got a nice ass. Casper.
Factually incorrect.
And then you
Correct.
know that, right?
You ain't towing my car.
I'm towing it.
It's illegal.
Okay.
It's not your car.
It is my car. It's in my name and my mother's name. Alright, I paid for it. I'm just gonna pass out. How about that? Pass out on the ground.
Well, good. Then lean up against the car. So that way, if you do, then you are leaning up against the car.
You're
Okay.
hurting my fucking stomach. Will you please help me? These motherfuckers are hurting me. They're pushing me up against the car. And this guy's black ass.
Okay, so we got a call here because she said she's having a heart problem. I think y'all were out here right before. Y'all just want to...
I won't do it here. You have to take me to the hospital.
So she's
No
refusing.
vitals on scene.
She's refusing.
She's refusing?
Yeah, she said she doesn't want to do it here, so
Okay,
that's refusing.
we'll take you to the hospital.
No, I want to go with them.
No, you're not going with that.
That's how it works.
Huh?
We're not going to see the car.
So get an ambulance if you
Nope.
can pass me.
No, unfortunately, I'm going to call a sergeant, make sure it's okay, and then I'm going to take you ourselves, okay? We're not going to tie up our
still going to
services for you.
They're already tying up their shit.
Let me call our take just to make sure, okay?
Alright, so let's go get her in the back of my car.
Stop treating me like I'm a fucking criminal. It's not okay.
It's not that serious, okay?
It's very serious.
Yes, sir.
I just want to fall to the floor.
Okay.
Okay. Can you put these in the front, please?
No,
like
we
normal
can't do
eggs?
that, unfortunately. You're going to have a seat in that vehicle, or I'm going to charge you with another charge.
God, I can't even get in the car, man.
Have a seat.
Where is my son going?
Same place where you're going, the hospital.
Yeah, we need like CAT scans to our head and shit. Since that black motherfucker put his hands on us. This would be great for cops. I haven't seen that show in a while.
Janet was arrested for trespassing and resisting an officer, but the resisting charge was dropped. She pled no contest to trespassing, was found guilty, and got 20 days in jail with credit for time served.
Okay. 20 days, not bad. Look, we don't see that very often, man. We typically when we hear the racial slurs and stuff like that, it's coming from the black people calling the white cops racist and this and that, and you know, all of those slurs. But now we got the roles reversed, where we have the white people calling the black cops, you know, all these racial slurs and stuff like that. So I wonder if this video is gonna get enough attention as like the other ones, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, just crazy. It's no need for it, regardless, you know, the whole racial stuff, is no need for it on the black side or the white side. I mean, listen, you fucked up. Simple as that. It's as simple as that. You're being trespassed. Whatever, that has nothing to do with race. Your fuck ups in life have nothing to do with race. Okay, you don't want to get off the property, you want to steal from the store and all this other stuff. Like, come on, they ain't got nothing to do with the cops being racist. Okay, they just doing their job. But anyway, yeah, so I get officers 4 out of 5, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.